The Florida Supreme Court is considering a case that will decide whether police officers who use deadly force can remain anonymous.
The debate centers on whether the officers are protected under Marsy's law. West Street's Amanda Dukes watched today's arguments. And Amanda, any ideas and sense where the judges will rule?
Well, a constitutional law expert I spoke with thinks police who kill civilians in violent encounters will retain the right to remain anonymous, but we probably won't get a ruling for several months. Florida's Supreme Court justices are considering whether police officers are deemed victims under Marsy's law, a constitutional amendment passed by voters in 2018. The law, among other things, allows victims the right to shield their identity from the public. The case before the court arose from two incidents in which Tallahassee police officers shot and killed armed suspects and sought protection under Marsy's law. The city of Tallahassee planned to identify the officers who were cleared of wrongdoing, but the police union got an injunction to block it. An attorney for the city of Tallahassee argued that officers cannot be regarded as just persons as defined in Marsy's law.
The officers here were acting in an official capacity by the authority vested in them by the city of Tallahassee. At no time were they acting as on their own behalf as individuals. And so for that reason, they cannot be regarded as persons the way that term is defined in Marsy's law.
But one of the justices challenged that argument.
Am I not a person at the moment because I'm wearing this robe?
The police officers union argued exempting officers from Marsy's law protection is not provided for in the law as it's written.
No carve-out, as suggested by my colleagues, exists in the language. This is a request for an after-the-fact ad hoc exception.
Florida constitutional law expert Bob Jarvis believes a state Supreme Court ruling in favor of the city is unlikely. He says the court is very literal in its interpretation of the Constitution.
And it says that a crime victim is any person, and the court is going to stop there and say, well, there's nothing that says that police officers are excluded from this.
A coalition of media organizations has sided with the city of Tallahassee in the litigation. The coalition includes the First Amendment Foundation and the Florida Press Association. Again, we don't expect a ruling from the state Supreme Court until sometime next year. Amanda Dukes reporting. Summer?